Welcome to this morning mindfulness meditation, a journey into morning presence and self-love. This is your gentle invitation to return home to yourself. Before the day begins, before the world asks for your attention, take this sacred pause to remember who you are, to feel your breath, to soften into the present moment. This is your time to anchor into self-love through the mindful power of I am. To begin, find a comfortable position which brings you the most calm and the most peace. Let your hands rest softly. Very gently, you may close your eyes and bring your attention inwards. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently for a moment and release it slowly through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Let your facial muscles relax. Let your abdomen soften. Feel the quiet rhythm of your breath, rising and falling, just like the calm waves of the morning sea. Breathe in presence. Breathe out tension. Breathe in peace. Breathe out pressure. With each breath, allow yourself to become a little more still, a little more here, a little more now. You are exactly where you need to be. You are safe to rest. You are safe to begin again. Now, gently begin to hear these words. Let them move through you. Let them become your own. There's no need to repeat. Just listen with all your heart. Just feel the presence and divinity within you. I am here. I am whole. I am enough just as I am. I am worthy of love, especially my own. I am learning to be gentle with myself. I am choosing peace over pressure. I am becoming the calm in the chaos. I am rooted in the present moment. I am allowed to grow slowly and beautifully. I am open to receive the good that life has for me. I am listening to the quiet voice within. I am learning to love every part of my body. I am releasing the need to be perfect. I am breathing in new energy. I am grounded in love. I am grateful for who I am becoming. I am enough. I have always been enough. Feel the soft power in these words. They are not just affirmations, they are the remembering of your truth. They are your soul speaking, your heart unfolding, your mind returning home. Now take one hand and gently place it over your heart. Feel the warmth, feel the life, feel the quiet miracle that you are. Let your next few breaths flow naturally. Notice the sensations. Notice how you feel now. Softer, gentler, and lighter. As you begin to gently bring awareness back into your body, wiggle your fingers, your toes, stretch if it feels good, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Let this beautiful feeling stay with you. Carry it into your day like a quiet flame, warm, steady, and loving. You are here. You are enough. You are beautiful. You are love. And this is a beautiful beginning of your day.